They didn't own a house, no crib, no toys were waiting.
And her nutcracker turned into a wonderful prince. Well, that morning she woke up and he turned back into a nutcracker.
Grandma, do you think we could take the nutcracker home so he won't be lonely here?
I think that would be a great idea.
Let's take a bath. David.
Now, but Jen, say hi then. Are you gonna wash your hair? Don't you? You look so funny. Hey, Laura, look at Mommy. Laura, look at Mommy.
Go blow him a kiss, David.
Hello, you see my head? Hi, Mom.
David Alexander. Boy, what? Whoa! Show Mama your happy face.
Happy face.
Let me see.
Oh, whoa, David, easy, easy.
I'm Dee La Hoya.
De La Hoya.
You went to California.
Yeah.
Was it a fun trip?
Yeah.
It's a video. Hello. Out here. I wanted to ask if you would marry me.